YouTube, what it do is giveaway Sunday. If you're new to the channel, like, comment, subscribe. What I did was I wrote everybody's name down that commented, and I put a number by their name, and we gonna put it in the random number generator. With that being said, let me get that drum roll, please. Unarmed 74. Congratulations, man. Congratulations. To redeem your gift card, shoot me a DM to float89_. Remember, if you didn't win today, man, you got another chance to win next week, because I'm doing this every week. Man. All you gotta do is like, comment, subscribe, and share the video that I drop each and every Wednesday. So, man, I just want to appreciate y'all for watching the content, liking the content, and commenting on the content. So, thank you. And I'ma holla at y'all Wednesday. Bye.